Now, your first line of offense is neem oil, but not just any neem oil, Neem Oil Max by Captain Jack's. Now, the reason why I like this particular brand of neem oil is that it's not just an insecticide, but it's a fungicide, a miticide, and a nematicide. These will take care of the majority of the issues that would happen with our plants. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the hell is neem oil? Is this some type of synthetic GMO product made next to some Wolverine X-Men like experiment? No, it's actually one of the most eco-friendly, all organic solutions that we can use to defend ourselves from these pests. Now, neem oil actually comes from the neem tree. These are native to Southeast Asia, India, and parts of Africa. This has been used for thousands of years for agricultural and health benefits. Think of it as like the Swiss Army knife of the garden and health. Now, what they would do is take the seeds of the neem tree and cold press it till you have oil, kind of like how you would do with olive oil. Now, what this would do to the insects is incredible. Now, the easy way of understanding what neem oil essentially is its nature's natural appetite suppressant for bugs, bug birth control, and eviction notice all in one. Now, when a bug eats a plant that is covered in neem oil, what essentially happens is that bug becomes infertile. On top of that, whatever eggs that it produces are not effective at all. It loses its ability to molt properly to evolve into the next step. So when they continually eat it, that essentially just dies off. Now, the second devastating thing that neem oil does to insects is that they drastically lose their appetite. It gets so bad that the insects die of starvation. That's right. Think of it as if like you ate a huge Thanksgiving meal and you're full all the time. So bad to the point that you don't want to put nothing in your mouth, not even a French fry.